That's a big disrespect, you know. When you come out in public and tell people, say, the man advise the team, you tell the man, say, McClaren not doing job right. Disrespect the man. So we don't know why you not fire him. If you disrespect him, why don't you fire him? That's a big disrespect, you know. And it comes on the back of how poorly we did in the Gold Cup and how we struggle in the qualifiers. Everyone has been disrespecting the head coach. I don't know about everyone, but in any football organization, in any country, in any club, coaches get criticized. Arteta bring Arsenal from nothing to where they are now, and we criticize him all the time. But it's different. You don't hear Josh Kroenke or Stan Kroenke come out and bash them coach in any way, shape, or form, undermine the coach. You don't hear that. There's a difference between what's said internally and done internally versus what's said in the public domain by the media and fans. Bifurcate the two. Please do. Because there's a difference. And they're right for saying anything they want to say. You can bash the coach at them one. The coach win, then praise the coach. When the coach don't win, then bash the coach and say go. But there's a difference when the organization seems to be undermining the coach.